Today, we are going to show you how to get started with your new Rally pedals. For this setup, you will need your Rally road pedals, your bike, a 15mm pedal wrench, and some bike grease. Depending on your bike, you may need the included pedal spacers. Your Rally pedals come with 2 extra yellow battery cover gaskets. These gaskets can be used to replace the gaskets in your battery cover if one were to wear out or get damaged. There are numbers printed on the shoulder of the pedal body. These numbers are the unique ANT Plus ID for each pedal. You might want to write them down. First, using a clean cloth, clean and remove excess grease from your cranks on the bike. You can use some soapy water or isopropyl alcohol. Now, apply a thin layer of grease to the pedal spindle threads. Then, install the right pedal. Carefully screw the pedal into the drive side crank arm and tighten with the pedal wrench. Garmin recommends 25 foot-pounds or 34 Newton meters. Then, repeat this process for the left pedal. Make sure you have at least 2 mm in clearance from the back of the pedal to the chain in line. Move your bike chain to the largest chain ring and the smallest cassette gear. If the pedal rubs the chain, you can add 1 washer between the spindle and the crank arm to increase clearance. Now that you have successfully installed your pedals on your bike, you can pair the Rally pedals to your Edge device. Navigate to the sensor menu on your Edge. Select Add Sensor, then select Search All. Select the power meter. Next, select Add. Then, select the check mark to customize the data screens for your new power meter. Your Garmin Edge will prompt you to set up your Garmin power meter. Select the check mark. You can set the crank length, calibrate before each ride, and calibrate the sensor. Make sure you unclip from the pedals before calibrating the sensor. Finally, select the check mark. After installing the Rally pedals on your bike, we recommend going outside and doing several sprints to help set the pedals, followed by recalibrating. And that's it! You are now ready to ride. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.